So guys, before we get into the pack with me to go on holiday, well it technically is a holiday, but I'm pretty much going back to, like, I would say my hometown, because I was like brought up there for many years. But I'm going to see my friend Stacey, and if you do not know, I do talk about her more on my TikTok, but she's one of my best friends. We've known each other like since year 6, and that's like primary school in England. But I'm gonna do a pack with me, or pack with me, whatever you could call them, because I've never done one before. But before we do that, I need to tidy my room, and I want to give you a life update, because I feel like every single vlog I've been doing lately, I've been giving you a life update. But I've got another update on the job situation, and I like keeping you updated because I know you guys like are like kind of interested in how it is finding a job with 4 disabilities. Finding a job with 1 disability is hard enough, and I've got 4. So I want to talk about that for a bit, but before we do that, let's clean my room, because I want it to be clean when I get back. So it is still a mess, and this is not everything I'm taking, but just while I was sorting out my drawers, I thought I'll just put the stuff that I think I'm going to take, but I want to try and like make some outfits first. Now I'm going to take my suitcase out the wardrobe, and we're going to try and start packing and trying on clothes as well. So let's get to that. This is one thing I'm not going to try on, just because don't really need to try it on. I've already tried it on, but my mum kindly got me this for a day that we're going to like a restaurant or something. So I've got a nice dress, and it was from Quiz, and it was in the sale. It's a size 14, and it was £26.99. Now it's £18.89. So it's just gone on the coat hanger so it doesn't get crushed, or not like badly crushed. I think it's alright for now, but that's what it looks like. set up. I'm already sweating. I think it's 22 degrees right now. 21 degrees. So it is still summer and I'm already sweating. I did also do a workout this morning. I was gonna vlog this morning, but I thought no, because this is gonna take up most of the vlog and I want it to be mainly about my packing. So I've got this little case thing. I don't think I'm gonna bring this, but I got it off a family friend and they also kindly gave me some products inside, like skincare, stuff like this, like hand gel and everything that smells good. So I'm gonna smell good this week, but I need to sort it out. So this is what it looks like. I would love to bring this, but I don't think I'll have room. This oatmeal one is amazing. YouTuber. Like, they literally bought me these brushes. I'm like, they're £10 each brush. Like, oh my god. So stuff like that I need to like unbox and stuff. Bringing these, just like wipes and stuff. I'm not packing everything today because I've still got the weekend, like it's Friday. And I've still got the weekend that I'm going to be here. So I can't pack every single thing, but I can pack most of it. And this nice eyeshadow palette. So let's get to packing. This is everything I'm bringing. Obviously, except for my toothpaste and toothbrush, like I need that for over the weekend. But I've got my concealer, just some moisturising hand cream, just all makeup stuff in here, like makeup remover stuff, blush thingies, the palettes that I showed you. I can't find it. I've also just put in like a blusher. Oh, it's right in front of me. So this product, I've only tried it a couple of times, but it's from Barry M and can be a lipstick and it can be for your blusher as well. So that's good. And then I've just got these in because I'm quite open and us girls do get hair on our face, so these are perfect. You just take it off. And then this one is specifically for your face. And then this one here, I actually sell on my TikTok shop. Again, you just push it off, but it's got a different type of head, and that's for your eyebrows. But I've got my perfume. This one smells like bubblegums. I love it. And it's one of my smaller perfumes that I can put in this bag. And then I've got my shampoo that's like I get from the GP because of my psoriasis. And then I've got my Lush body wash because when to treat your body when you're going on holiday. I normally have a cream body wash, again from the GP, and then I've got the Sanex one with the blue lid, but that's too big to bring, so I've just got this small one. I actually want to show you it because it is a really good one. So if you go into Lush lately, or if you go next time you go into Lush, grab this. Obviously smell it first because I might like it and you might not. but I love it. I love the smell of Christmas, and it reminds me of Christmas in a way. Do not know why. I think it's because it's so sweet, but this is what it is. So this is outfit number 1, or around what I kind of want to bring. I want to bring these trousers. I bought them a couple of days ago. I'm in love with them. They've got the type of pocket I like. I think these are called like cargo trousers, but I love these styles, and these ones are just way more baggier and looser for the summer. Also, I haven't got an orange pair, and then just this plain white top with some cream. I'm also going to bring my black Adidas top, just in case I don't want to wear this type of top on that specific day, and I can just wear my black one. I did try on this top with it, with the puffy sleeve, but I found it was just a bit too much, because these are more like lounge wear. Like, you can wear these out, but they have got that like lazy look to them, so it's better to pair them with these types of tops, pretty plain, on top of it being a bright autumn orange. I definitely think I'm going to wear these quite a lot in autumn, so I'm not bringing this top. On to the next outfit, but at least I planned that outfit out. I literally am like, I don't know. I'm trying to not pack too much, because I'm technically staying there for a week, but technically I'm staying there Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we leave on around Friday morning. So it's like, I'm only staying there 3 days. First day, I think we're going shopping, so I've already got my outfit for that. And that's like the wearing the jeans, jeans, so I don't have to pack them. So they're the jeans that I'm bringing that I'm wearing on the Monday. And then I've just got some leggings, but like wearable leggings, not just lounge around leggings. And then I've got my new trousers, but it's like, am I packing too much or too little? But yeah, I'm gonna try and pack it now. Wish me luck. I'm bringing these shorts because 1, they will suck me in while I'm wearing my dress, but 2, I've got quite big thighs, to be honest. And it's not even that they're like very fat thighs. Like, I've just got naturally big flat thighs. I can't say that. Like, I've got a lot of muscle on there. So chub rub or whatever you call it, but also to suck me in. I'm just bringing these in case I need them. And we're done. It's actually quite heavy, and I haven't even got my iPad or phone. I think that's it that I need to do. And obviously I need to put the dress in as well, but I don't want to do that till like last minute, just so the dress doesn't get crushed. More might be added, but for now that is my come back with me. Literally I could do squats with this. I think the reason why it's really heavy is because of more the skincare and the shampoo and everything. I also need to put things like this in, like my brushes and random stuff that I'll be using over the weekend. But we'll do that on like the morning. But before we end this, come pack with me. I just want to give you a little catch up on how's things been going on. with job situations and everything like that. So let's go and sit down for a bit. So this is just going to be a really quick update. I'm not going to try and talk so much, but I just want to give you an update. If you do follow my Instagram, you will know everything that's happened, but here's a bit of a more update. So if you did not know, I'm not making a full story about it because I talked about it mainly on my TikTok, but pretty much a couple of days ago I was trying to like hand in CVs, and I went to a job event. It was like a proper like trying to find a job day. So I went into B&M, asked the lady, and quick story trait, the minute I said cerebral palsy, she put me down, said I cannot do it, it's too much hard working and all this stuff, when I am such a determined person. And she didn't even let me like explain who I was or explain my situation. She just heard the word cerebral palsy and shot me right down. But on the positive note of that day kind of got my confidence down quite a lot, to be honest. And the next again day I had a meeting with the person who helps me find a job, and literally within 2 minutes of sitting down, they had an employer in the building that they work at and I go to for a job that we were on about, and literally within 2 minutes I got an interview. So hopefully I will have a job, hopefully. I'm not putting my hopes up too much because I did that with the last job and I didn't get it. The last one I got an interview for was like a website, again helping for a website and helping people make websites for their company and stuff. I didn't get that job, so I'm trying to not put my hopes up too much, but I hear back next week. Fingers crossed, keep your fingers crossed for me. But that is the life update. I don't give much more about job searching than that, because like I don't want to pretty much give where I could work or like anything like that. But if you did not know me, I do want to work in retail and social media, so they are the genres of job types that I'm looking for. But I hope you enjoyed this come pack with me, and I will see you with a couple of videos, mainly vlogs, coming soon with my friend Stacey. I think we're going to do the best friend tag as well, but I'm not going to vlog it all because obviously I want to spend time with her as well. But it should be a good week, and I will see you with them vlogs coming soon. Bye.